Hey everyone, I'm Sarah from WTI. I wanted to add an extra layer of comfort and coziness to my new couch, which is why I'm in love with these pillow covers from Home Brilliant. This is the dark gray in the 2-pack corduroy. Now it comes in a ton of colors. I just wanted the gray to kind of really match to the couch itself. These are 26 by 26 inches. They are so soft and cozy. They have a zipper closure, so you just have to buy the pillow form and you can easily stuff this pillow case and zip it up, and then you have a brand new, extra soft and extra comfy pillow to add to your couch. I love the fact that it comes in a 2-pack and the color is really beautiful. I also love the fact that they are so soft and cozy and that the corduroy is on both sides. So no matter which side you have, it's gonna be a cozy, comfortable pillow. The size is perfect for the couch. I really love the way the gray color looks and the fact that it has a hidden zipper so you don't really see it very easily, but I know I can easily take this off and wash them whenever I need to. I'm really happy with these pillow covers. They've added so much softness and so much texture to my couch. It's exactly what I was hoping for. They are the pillows that my husband and I fight over, and that is my point of view.